Congratulations, congratulations. My name's Adrian from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Now I'm going to ask you a question. Do you like instant cash to get your hands on the hottest, and I mean the hottest, marketing system tool suite on the planet? Well, if you answer yes to both of these buttons right here, guys, I'm going to show you a way that not only that I'm going to help you get 5 people in this, I'm going to help you get 5 people in this program. So you'll be making residual income every week and every day. Does that sound exciting to you guys? Okay, let's start with instant cash first. Now the instant cash is, let's see if I can get to it. It's this program right here, guys. 25, 100, 250, and 500. And this instant to your account, guys. To your PayPal, if you want them to write you a check, if you want them to put in your PayPal, your PASA account, if you want them to put it in your Bitcoin account, however you want. You want them to mail it to you. I said that one, but say it again. Okay, the package starts at $25. It's a one-time payment, and that's it. And you get all these video training series right here also, so you'll learn how to market better also. The second package is $100. And so on, guys. Just keep on going down the list right there. But I told you I'm going to get 5 people for you in this business. I'm going to say 5. So that'd be 125. So you just upgrade to the 100. And then when people, then the 5 people are going to upgrade to 100. Now you made $500, guys. And the list, they go on and on and on, guys. And this all from me putting you on my rotator link, guys. I've done a rotator link before, and I had great success. And I'm just starting this rotator link in the last 2 days, guys, setting everything up. So you want to be first. Pay the $25 one-time fee. And I have my phone number. Text me your link so I can add it to the rotator, guys, and make you a page like this. So the tool suite, guys, and this is where I make all my pages, and we have so many tools and training and video training on each one. So if you can copy and paste, you can do this system, guys. And when you click the tool, you'll come to this page. This is one of the owners right here, guys, and this video will tell you every tool we have right here. And the best part I love is how to make 10 grand a month by giving our system away for free, guys. Make sure you watch the comp plan right here, guys. It's going to excite you. And then all you have to do is click here, and it'll take you to the sign up form where you get to create your password and things like that. And you can try all these tools for free. So put your credits totally free for 7 days, and after 7 days, back to this page. So first sign up for this instant cash, then come back to this page, click this button, the tool suite. Make sure you watch the videos, and you'll sign up for this page right here, guys. The join now button. Just click it right here, guys, to a sign up sheet like this. Just sign up and just get started. All right, guys, I see you in the inside, and make sure you text me your links for EASY1UP and the Conversion Pros, so I can make a page similar like this, so I can add you to the rotator, and I will send you the link back to verify everything. Okay, guys, talk to y'all soon. I'll see you on the inside.